For my study tool, I decided to use Kahoot. I'm just going to show you a little bit more about the website and how to use Kahoot. So for this one, I created a question and you add the text as well and you click the one that you want to be the right answer. So I clicked all the above. You also can as well change the time seconds to 10 seconds or 20 or even increase it to more. And then I'll show you a true false question as well. So answers can be multiple choice or they can be true false. And then you can even add a question. So if you add a question, you can add a quiz or add a true and false statement. After you're done and you created your Kahoot, I hit done. I'm going to enter my title, How to Build a Classroom Garden. Hit continue. And my Kahoot is ready, and just hit done. And now my Kahoot is being able to play by multiple people.